Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to summarize long document using AI. So let's get started the video. To summarize long documents, I'm going to use ChatGPT. So open your web browser and search for ChatGPT. Now go to the website. If you are not signed in, then sign in to your account. Once you are on the ChatGPT home screen, you will see the message box here. Now click the plus icon, then click on Add Photos and File, then choose the document you want to summarize. You can upload a file such as PDF, Word document, or text file. Wait a few moments for the file to finish uploading. After uploading the document, type a clear instructions. For example, summarize this document in simple English. Then press Enter or click the Send button. ChatGPT will analyze the document and provide a summary. Depending on the document's length and complexity, it may take few moments. You can also customize the summary by explaining exactly what you want. The more specific your instruction is, the more useful the summary can be. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.